Welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be having a look at the Samsung SGH-A411. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Samsung SGH-A411, and this was released in 2007. This phone is actually from America originally, the US, because it's on the Telstra network, and it's actually locked into the Telstra as well, so I wouldn't be able to use it over here. Anyway, I've tried a Vodafone SIM card in there, and obviously it said the phone was locked to Telstra. So before we have a look at the ringtones and the camera and whatnot, first of all we'll have a look at the phone itself, the hardware. So let's have a look. There's the front. Here we have the outer screen, and obviously the camera, which is located here. We have a little stumpy aerial. It doesn't pull out on, I think. Here's the back. Here's that side there. We have the charging port and a dedicated camera button. On this side we have the volume rocker. The bottom there we are. It's just an hole for the microphone, I believe. Top there, it's just the hinge. And obviously we have the Samsung logo there on the front. And I believe that's going to be the Telstra logo. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I should imagine it is. It is. Let's open them up. Here we are. Here's all the keys. And obviously we have the Samsung logo. And again there we have the Telstra name. See it there? Telstra. Right then, let's turn him on. I will do a startup and shutdown at the end, so stick around for that one. Let's turn him on. I believe this phone is quite rare these days. It would be over here anyway in the UK, like. First of all, when this picture came up with the SIM card, I automatically thought that it was asking for the correct SIM card, but I think it actually means it's reading the SIM card, you know. Yeah, Telstra. Yeah, Telstra. All of them running. Searching is not going to find the network though, obviously, because we're in the UK. But it have got original Telstra SIM card in there. That's why I can get into it. Lucky enough, it was one already in there. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to activate it. I don't expect activate the menus and all that. Right then, let's have a look at the menus. Right, first of all, we have call log and so on. Hello. Yeah, let's try the camera in a minute. Yeah, it is. It's not bad, it's not bad. There's the camera. Right then, let's try, what's the tell said about my place? No. Stuff on there. I don't know anything about these, obviously, because obviously we don't get a Telstra over here in the UK. So if anybody could tell me what actually some of these are for. Foxtel. Right, there's have a look at the menus. Phone profile. Then let's have a look at melodies. You have all these, look. You have ring, volume, auto replay. That's it. So let's try voice call ringtones. Right, here we are. We have 13 ringtones. So let's play these and see if these to bring back some memories for people. Sometimes they do. Right then. Start off with number 1. That's that one. Back. Here we are. Get back to the beginning now. All the other things we have are empty. And then you have the different things, silent, driving, all that good stuff. Time and date, display settings, all that Java. Obviously messages, camera, we've done that. Browser. Yeah. Limited service because I won't get the service here. Like I said, it's Telstra, and we haven't got that here. If I'm even pronouncing it right. Telstra. I think that's how you pronounce it. There's the outer screen. Right then, let's do a startup then and shutdown. First of all, I'll do a startup and shutdown when it's open. And I'll do one then after when it's closed. Let's turn them off a minute. Let's see me do a startup and shutdown then. Right then, let's do a startup and shutdown. And there you are. As usual, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back pretty soon with another video. And I have got lots of rain and usual. I got a couple more Chinese phones here, really rare ones, so stick around for them. They will be on soon. They're all up and coming, so you keep an eye on my channel. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and bye!